Here's a question for you. It's actually quite an interesting one. Do you register as a professional engineer or project manager? And when do you do which one? Here's some advice for you. If you find yourself doing a lot of project management, we're talking about the various stages of project management, we're talking about your exposure from a project management point of view, you're actively involved in that. So if you just think about the projects that you work on and your activities that you do are more in line with the project managers and the various stages, and that's where you get your experience from, then you should seriously consider registering as a project manager. Now remember, there are certain fundamental qualifications that you also need before you can register as a professional construction project manager. So bear that in mind. There is a lot of detail about that, and that's on the internet. You'll find it there. So if you've got an engineering degree, civil or otherwise, whether it's a degree, a BTech, or the latest master's in engineering or diploma, or any one of those, and you are actively involved in engineering activities, then your route would be, obviously, to register with EXA as a professional engineer. But you have to be clear in your mind that the activities and the competencies that you're involved with, that you are involved in, is aligned with engineering. There is a difference between project management and engineering project management. Those are two different issues. So if it's pure project management, you've got the entry-level qualification being in engineering, and you find yourself in that environment, you'll find it much easier to register with the project managers, SACPMP. However, if you find yourself doing a lot of engineering activities, we're talking about the 11 outcomes, problem solving, contextual knowledge, all of those kind of things. And there's various videos on my channel on that. Then I advise you to register as a professional engineer. It gets sticky when you're doing both. So if you find yourself in that position, bounce it off your mentor or some of your colleagues just to get an idea of the direction that you're going in. Then there's also another thing. You can register or have a dual registration, which means you register as a professional engineer, and then later years you're exposed to the project management side of things. Then by all means go and register then as a project manager. So you'll have dual registration, project and engineering. Also, don't get confused. You will have the SACPMP, which is construction project managers, and construction managers, etc. Then you've got another thing called a PMI, the Project Management Institute. If you have got the PMI qualification and you're doing lots of work like that, and you want to do work in South Africa, then you still have to be registered with the SACPMP. Bear that in mind. Those are, although same, but they're different entities, and there's certain requirements that you need for the one and not for the other. Also, you can have dual registration, PMI, which is more internationally orientated, if you like, and it's more theoretically designed, whereas the project managers or the SACPMP, in this specific case, are more practically orientated. And you'll find in the application document, same story there. So you need to be clear in your mind which one you're going to register, or both. But select one first, align your application accordingly, and then go for it. Make sure that you get this one right. There has been cases where engineers have tried to register as professional engineers, but EXA advised them to rather register as project managers because they did not satisfy EXA's rules. So before you make a mistake and before you spend money, sort that out. And if you need a little bit more guidance, please let me know. I'm here to help. Thank you and take care.